Today we talk about how can you select who has permissions to send to you direct messages on your Reddit tab. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You go down here, click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on account settings here. So then here you just go down until here you will find here chat in the messaging permissions. Just click on it. So you come here to direct messages and here you select who has permissions to send to you direct messages on your Reddit app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.